In breaking news that's coming in, the NIA, or the National Investigation Agency, has submitted its fresh charge sheet in the Malegaon case in Mumbai court. And as was being reported on India Today, Sadhvi Pragya has been given a clean chit in this charge sheet filed by the NIA. Congress's Digvijay Singh has reacted to the story. Let's listen in first.
मैं शुरू से इस बात को कह रहा था कि संघ के लोग और संघ की विचारधारा के लोग आतंकवादी गतिविधियों में शामिल और आज हेमंत करकरे जैसे शहीद को भी उन्होंने शक के घेरे में डाल दिया। जिस व्यक्ति ने मुंबई आतंकवाद के घटना के अंदर शहादत दी, उस व्यक्ति के लिए कहा जा रहा है कि उन्होंने झूठा प्रमाण तैयार किए, झूठा केस बनाया। मैं केंद्र सरकार से इतना ही अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि हमें मालूम है कि आप उनका बचाव करना चाहते हैं। हम जानते हैं कि आपके संबंध उन सब लोगों से हैं जो आतंकवादी गतिविधियों में शामिल रहे हैं, लेकिन कम से कम हेमंत करकरे जैसे एक ईमानदार कर्तव्यनिष्ठ पुलिस अफसर जिसने अपनी जान जोखिम में डालकर आतंकवादियों से लड़े, उनके ऊपर यह आरोप लगाना कि उन्होंने झूठे प्रमाण तैयार किए, ये निंदनीय है। मैं जानना चाहता हूं गृह मंत्री जी से, राजनाथ सिंह जी से, एनआईए के डायरेक्टर का एक्सटेंशन आपने क्या इसीलिए दिया था कि वे एनआईए से के केसेस में संघ के लोगों को बचाएं? ये शर्म की बात है कि नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसी, जो कि आतंकवादी गतिविधियों के जांच के लिए बनाई गई थी, आज उन्हें बचा रही है जो स्पष्ट रूप से आतंकवादी गतिविधियों में शामिल है। रोहिणी सैलियान, जो एक बहुत ही प्रतिष्ठित पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर रही हैं, जो एनआईए केसेस कर रही थी, उन्होंने स्पष्ट तौर पर कहा था कि उनको ये कहा गया था सरकार बदलने के बाद कि इन केसेस में आपको ज्यादा तेजी से काम नहीं करना है। मेरा यह आरोप है केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल के ऊपर, प्रधानमंत्री पर और गृह मंत्री पर कि वे आतंकवादी गतिविधियों में संघ के कार्यकर्ताओं को बचाने के लिए वे पुलिस पर, एनआईए पर, पुलिस अफसरों पर दबाव डाल रहे हैं। और मेरे पास इसके और भी प्रमाण हैं जो मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगा, लेकिन आज तो इतना ही कहूंगा कि मैं निंदा करता हूं एनआईए के उस बयान की जिसमें हेमंत करकरे जैसे ईमानदार कर्तव्यनिष्ठ शहीद के ऊपर निंदनीय आरोप लगाए हैं। मैं इस बात की निंदा करता हूं।
Digvijay Singh critical there of the way investigations are progressing as far as the Malegaon blast case of 2008 is concerned. Let's get in a word from Mustafa, my colleague who's in Mumbai, because the NIA has submitted its charge sheet in the Malegaon case in Mumbai court. And as was being reported, Mustafa, Sadhvi Pragya does get a clean sheet. It is official now. Take us through the contents of the charge sheet as you learn.
See, it's a 100-page charge sheet which has been filed some time ago, and the NIA has filed this supplementary charge sheet. After the lunch, when the court opens, the court will take cognizance of this charge sheet. The broad points which we know as of now is that it's been claimed that Sadhvi Pragya and other two accused have been discharged from the Makoka charges. So this is a big revelation which has come to light, because the main basis of this case based by Maharashtra ATS in Malegaon blast case was this module of terrorism in which Sadhvi Pragya had played a major role. So removing Makoka from on her is a big development in this case, and it will also impact the investigation which was done by the Maharashtra ATS till now in the case. And what NIA has come forward with is something which is different and startling, given the fact what ATS had submitted. So at this point of time, it would be interesting to see what details and on what basis Sadhvi has been removed from the Makoka charges, and what was it that NIA found out in the case, whether all the module, all the premises created by the Maharashtra ATS has been falsified, and the case will not stand in the court.
Of course, 4 people have been given clean sheet in this charge sheet, as has been claimed by lawyer of one of the accused, and this includes the main accused to Sadhvi Pragya, Colonel Purohit. Mustafa continues to be with us. Mustafa, briefly, have you heard any word as far as the ATS goes? Hemant Karkare is not there to defend himself, but it's an agency versus agency story that's playing out.
Yes, of course, it seems to be that case, and also the change of power and government also seems to have a role in these investigations. If you see all the past judgments which have taken place in Mumbai court, there have been many acquittals, and also in the Malegaon, one of the Malegaon cases, there were accused who were discharged. So all the modules which were investigated by Maharashtra ATS regarding this Malegaon blast have failed. All the accused have been, either some people have been acquitted, some people have been discharged from the cases. In the case of Sadhvi Pragya and this Saffron terrorism module, the Makoka cases have now been removed. So all the modules of Maharashtra ATS is now falling through. The investigation done by them, the theories which were put forward, the evidences which were submitted in the court in the form of charge sheet, it all seems to be contradictory to what NIA had submitted. Now it would be interesting to see, as I said, when the court take cognizance of the charge sheet, what were the details and on what basis this change of investigation has taken place, and on what basis the Makoka has been removed.
Right, of course. And as the lawyer, they're informed that the judge is also going on a 2 weeks leave post this, but we'll have to see what in fact a turn the entire case takes now. Mustafa Sheikh, many thanks for joining us there on the Malegaon story.